Okay, it is 7 p.m. right now. I'm going to work until 10 p.m. at the storage unit. So let's see what we can do in 3 hours. Let me show you what I am for sure going to do. See this little cute thingy? Well, I got another one and we're going to put it over there. Then I also got another light, so we're going to install that too. It's not that hard, but we have to do it. I'm going to make some more pictures for the items, the new items especially. And I'm also going to price new items. I'm going to price new gift sets. I'm going to make new gift sets. I have to make really new videos because I'm running a little bit low on that. I mean, I'm always going to make like 2 videos a day and 1 picture. On Instagram and Facebook, the picture. And on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, I will post all the videos. So yeah, let's see what we can do in those 3 hours. I did take my dog with me because otherwise I'm not allowed to work until 10 p.m. Even though I'm an adult, my family thinks it's a bit of a sketchy neighborhood. And I'm not at home. I have to walk home after 10 p.m. So yeah, took my dog with me. I will show you. Harley. Hi. Hi, schatje. So you'll hear him in the background. But yeah, it's a cutie patootie, so why not? 35 minutes later. Now I did have to take a work call. So it took a little longer than expected, but I will show you. The second one is standing. I have to fill it up. I'm not sure with what I'm going to fill it up yet. I have to price these gift sets and wrap them up a little better. But for now, we have to fill this up and I'm not sure with what. So now I'm going to focus on pricing everything. All the gift sets and everything. Okay, everything is priced and ready to be shipped. Everything is put on my Etsy. And it is, how late is it? Almost 8. So yeah, I'm going to price the new items now and film those. So now I'm going to price all the new items. I have wax melts, I have soap bars, I have everything. Here we have 11 or so bars. So freaking pretty. Oh, and these Cupid. Or one of my favorites are these witchy heads. Adorable. And the dragons. Love dragons. Little bunny for Easter. So yeah, let me get everything priced and I'm going to put everything away. Maybe use in gift sets. It is 10 p.m. I did price everything. I did even price all the Melbourne Poor ones because I didn't price those yet. As they go by weight, they all have a different price. I did move things around. Oh, hi love. Always in the way. I did move everything around. So I have the wax melts over here. As you can see, I put them in baggies. And these were already in a box. I have the candles over here. I have the ugly duckling wax melts over here. The broken pieces. And the ones I have left over. They're perfectly fine. They smell amazing. Just broken. So these are cheaper than the actual baggy ones. Then we have the snap bars. We have all types of soap. We have the cold process one, the eczema ones, the bed bombs, and the melt and pour. That one is staying empty. I already explained in a different video why I'm doing that. I'm putting candles in here, but I still have to wrap them up. But as it is 10 p.m., I'm going to stop for now. Did not do everything I wanted to do. I really wanted to make some more videos because I did make a few. But I wanted to make more, but oh well. Tomorrow's a new day.